Let's make origami angel together. All you're gonna need are two pieces of square paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, and let's start by folding the first diagonal. And we will open it and fold it on the other diagonal. Like this. Now we will fold from this upper layer of the paper, and we will fold this line and align it with the bottom line. And once you have it, press it down. Now we'll open it and do the same on the upper layer, but with this side. So align this side of the paper with this bottom line. Like this. Now we'll turn our paper over and we'll fold in those two lines like this. Just press it in like this and bring this part of the paper on one side and fold this line of the paper up and align it with this line that we have on the middle of the paper. Like this. Now we will just open this part of the paper and press it down like this. Next we will flip our paper over and we will align those two bottom lines with this upper line. So fold on one side, align it and press it down, and do the same with the other line. Just press it down. In next step, we will fold our paper from this middle of the paper to this crease that we just made. So this line will take it in this direction. So from the middle to the crease and press it down. And we'll do the same on the other side. So from the middle to the crease and press it down. And next step, we will take one finger right here and we'll fold our paper from this corner that we have to here where we place our finger. So right here and from the corner like this, and the same on the other side. Place your one finger here, lift it up and align it with the corner like this. Now if we turn it around, we almost have our angel. We just need to play with the head of our angel a little bit. So we'll bring the side corners in on one side and on the other side and in the middle. Like this, and turn it around. Now let's fold the second piece of paper. Again, we'll fold it in a diagonal and press it down. Next you will open it and fold it on the other diagonal. Like this. Now we will align this outside line with this middle line, so bring this part of the paper and align it with the middle line, and once you have it, press it down. Do the same on the other side. Take it to the middle line and press it down. Now we'll flip our paper over and we'll fold these two parts of the paper upwards, just like this. And the same on the other side. Again, we will flip our paper over and open these parts of the paper. We will also open this part of the paper and tuck this part in, so just reverse fold it on the lines that we have and close it together. And the same on the other side. Like this. And now you can just slide it into your angel, or you can turn it around like this and slide it in. And that's how you make your origami paper angel. See you next video. Bye!